Let's implement an if-then-else statement, which is more efficient. Copy and paste the code, then replace if age equals 34 with an else clause. Run. We get the same result. Age is 34. I prefer to use an opening and closing bracket, although they are optional. Personally, I believe the brackets make our conditional statements look more organized. Let's remove the brackets and run again. Age is 34. This is how an if then else statement works. We write if and a condition to test our variable. If age equals 24, then print age equals 24. But if it does not equal 24, then print age equals 34. There is a downside to the if then else statement. It is more efficient than the previous statement, if then. But the downside is the program flow only have two options, if condition and else statement. Next is the if then else statement, which gives our program many conditions.